So should you buy a drone? That is the question. So should you buy a drone? So today I just want to talk about that, what my thoughts are on that, and what my experience has been over the last few months. See, I was struggling with the same question, and I would see YouTube videos, outdoor videos with amazing panoramic views, and I would think, well, you know, that's all well and good for you, but that's just too much money, and I can get the same sort of effects with my sports camera if I'm a little bit clever, using lots of different angles. And when you're at the top of a mountain with amazing views, you're already like a few hundred meters off the ground. Why do you need a drone? And a drone is a few £100 I just don't have right now. And then there's things like, will I need a license? How do I fly it? Am I going to crash it? And what happens if the other half finds out that I've spent all this money? Then last October I started to do some research, and I started to look at a new drone that had just been released, which had all the new features, and I started to watch some videos about it. And it started to change my thinking. The new drone would cost over £500, which is a lot of money for anybody. But then, as lockdown 2 hit, and it had been a bit of a, really difficult year, I thought, well, why not go for it? I thought, it'll give me something to do. It was just like Christmas. It felt like I had a completely new toy. So taking it out the box, reading the instructions, putting it together, and then getting ready for the first flight. Then after watching so many YouTube videos, then I was ready for the first flight. So with great trepidation, adrenaline flowing, and then ready for liftoff. And my heart was going, it was so exciting. I thought, I don't want to crash this, having just paid so much money. But the flight went well, I didn't crash it. It was great fun. It just felt like I got a new model airplane or something. Or even like you're thinking like having a new kite or something like that, but much more advanced. I just felt like a schoolboy again. It's become such a good hobby, and now I don't know what I'll do without it. And it really does help my videos, I think. I mean, basically it's like another camera, which is like a B-roll camera, so you get footage of, instead of putting your camera down every 5 minutes when you're doing a video and then having to run back to get your camera, walking past it, that sort of thing. Now you can fly your B-roll camera, so you can leave it hovering, you can fly it like 100 meters ahead of you, and then just keep walking, and then just fly it back to you. So it saves a lot of energy, I can tell you that much. The other thing is, it's not that difficult really. If you, on the controls, if you don't touch anything, it will just hover there. It will just stay in the same place. So you don't need to worry, you soon get to grips with it. It is a bit nerve-wracking at first, but I think with a bit of practice, and that's what I've done, I've just tried to practice a little bit when I can, just go out and practice wherever I can, and then before long it becomes like driving a car, you don't think about it. Now I'm not saying you can't do great videos without a drone, and drones can be a hindrance too, because it can be used in the wrong way, same with anything, but I really think it's something to think about if you've got an outdoor channel. Maybe at some point, check out some drones, check out some different types of drones, and have a look at the options. I'll share some more on this in coming videos if people are interested. It's a bit like going on an adventure. If you don't actually go out the door, then you don't experience it. But once you go out the door, you experience a whole new world, and you become stronger, and you understand more things, more places. When you get a drone, it's the same thing. Once you've experienced it, you love it, and then you learn more. And it's like that in life. We keep growing in life, we learn more, life is more exciting. So I recommend you at least check it out. It's not for everybody, understand that. And like I say, you can make great videos without one, but it's worth checking out, thinking about. I know a lot of people are thinking about it. So anyway, I hope this video is helpful and gives you some thoughts and perspective on drones. I hope you enjoyed some of the shots that I've shown. If you have, please like this video and please consider subscribing. That would really help, and I really appreciate all the feedback and comments. Any questions, I'll do my best. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye for now. It's a little bit scary, isn't it? Because I don't really know the controls very well.